The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Caldwell County, Kentucky, eastern Marshall County, Kentucky, Trigg County, Kentucky, southern Lyon County, Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, which has already received 2 to 3 inches by radar estimates in some locations. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cadiz, land between the lakes area, Energy, Cobb, Kenton, Rock Castle, Aurora, and Linden. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Lyon, Marshall, and Trigg. The flash flood